I'm lethal with my weapon and they call me Danny Glover. You know that's an old song. When you hear lyrics like that, that's for sure.
How old is Danny Glover?
It's probably 62,000. Well, anyone who's older than me is really old.
Yeah.
If you know what I mean.
Yeah, you are old, bro.
I know.
Yeah, and you're not feeling well today. People must know that I'm not responsible for death. I'm not responsible for death.
No, you can't.
Neil Tovey had 3 heart attacks. Whoa. White people.
Sure.
Wait, can you just get this out of the way? 3 heart attacks. Who has 3 hearts? One of us on says 3. I won. Imbambi lokuqala wawa. I want another one. Same morning. 3 heart attacks. Not one. Oh, white people. Oh, 3 heart attacks. Who do you know when a cast that has 1 heart attack and is still alive? Huh? Oprah John was, at least I am good. Neil Tovey, 3 heart attacks. 3. Guess what? The following day he was tweeting, I'm getting well. I'm like, hey, you still have a 4th heart to write these things. Huh? Hey, Neil Tovey is strong.
Yeah.
That was the captain Gomampela. I don't know, where is the other heart? Like, I don't, maybe I'm from a Tembis. I'm not very clued up with these things of hearts and kidneys. Maybe other kidneys are hearts at the same time. Hey, I'm looking at Shem. Hey, Neil Tovey has a heart. That's when I say you have a heart.
Yeah.
But come on, Neil Tovey. Lam lungu unenhliziyo 3. Akaze nyise siphongo or nyise siswini, nyise madolweni. Hey, mara 3 heart attacks one day, not even one day. One morning. Zithi pants. Ngapha ushoes naye. Abantu becheese bagqoke ezimnyama. Ningajahe memorial service. Usaphila Neil Tovey.
How are you, Scoop?
Grand. No, this whole thing on Neil Tovey got me I nearly had a heart attack and died.
Because you would have died. You only 1 heart.
Oh, okay, wrong. I might be wrong. Which one do you know? One of zero no sekas.
No one.
Putsipo one heart attack and Putsipo is still alive to tell the story. How was the heart attack? Huh? Bambus, kasha wa first sipo. Hey, has the kids cishe ngula la ngeke. Neil Tovey 3 heart attack. I'm strong, Shem.
Yeah.
3. How you
It's a Kaizer Chiefs thing, Baba. They're strong people.
Ile federal plan.
Oh, by the way, in the studio with me is the star of Thandeka's Diary. You know how things change. Your name changes, your title changes, according to what you do.
No. Mina ngizozikuma bro. This whole thing. Mina ngisemsebenzini.
Yes.
Mina what I do is the same as doing guiding, the same as working a pep, the same as driving taxis. But who is that guy? Who is the guy who's interviewing and then he's speaking big English to the taxi drivers? And he says, I'm not saying it's lack of education. Akayirenkeni asho kanjalo. Akafonele wena. Akayirenkeni athi anifundanga nina la. And then sifuna uzophuma na. I'm not saying you guys are not educated, but hey, really? Bese yaphuma. Ubona ukuthi uzophuma na. Xa simfonele simse April. Afika mePril phezu kweteksi athi yawela bus elwile uzowanjenga lela bus. Who's that driver? No, where's that driver?
He's in hospital.
Doing what?
Recovering. What do you mean? He plunged
He
down
had
a
1
bridge.
accident. He was supposed to have 3.
Bekakhathala athi anyapaka la mina.
Kolala.
Athi ngapaka la manje futhi. Yes. Upakile. So
It was slippery. He was a bit.
are we sure he's not
speedy.
the same truck driver that killed people? Because
Oh wow.
yes.
So finally now, what's a little duck called?
A little duck is called a duckland. And then what do you call a baby horse? A hostling. Sorry. What's happening there?
Well, they're going to be voting tomorrow.
Yeah.
So today and tomorrow is a public holiday.
And then
Bati, they are buying food in bulk at the moment because they're afraid of what's going to happen after the election results come out.
And Lesotho by 73. It's not like it's a big crisis. Like our person Sakane baningu kuloba Lesotho. Why are they buying food in one spice shop? They are looting, man. They are looting. Rinke. Bathusa ukuthi yavota kusasa.
Bathusa ile nto le.
Ngono yavota. Hey, uba uyagula. Sorry. I said ukudlala. This is not a joke. Uba uyagula. Our president was poisoned.
Oh.
Obaba was poisoned kwakhe in his house.
Yes.
Wadlula ikliniki yakwakhe. Une klinika ngithi lapha ekhaya. Hallo baba, wadlula ikliniki yakwakhe wathi angena. Wahamba nalomuntu ompoisonile. Ngathi wabize bonke. Isani ngaphi. Ngiyakhohlela. Ubani omunye la? Ubizi press conference. Family yakhe yodwa, uMakhumalo, uMantuli. Bonke ama girlfriend esingakawaphi phela angithi uyazi ushut after 3 years. Nalabo singakabaza abasahlele KV nothi sisondelana. Ubani ongithelele? Mina baba ngisola wena short. Wena my yellow bone hizala. Wadlula une clinic. Le baba une clinic yakwakhe. Une clinic la inkandla or uyikhohliwe. The way indle yakhe inkulu ngakhona ukhohliwe uthi une clinic. Wahamba azanga private hospital. Waye USA. USA wafika wachest about une poison at serious. Wahleka kanjalo athi mina manga. And then he proceeded to go to Germany to make further tests ukuthi ngiyagula vele. Thina tathi ubaba une stress akana stress ubaba udlile. Bamenzani ngealpirim. Leba bu strong. Leba bu hlulisha uthatha isha uvela ne poison outing shower. Ngithi hey yakula. Washawa athi. The poison Maria shower athi it limits the poison in the inside. Ishawa bekavula umlomo ethela phakathi za. Bekashawa phakathi, ashawa phakathi. Uma uyagula. Lo muntu omkhulisa omunye wabantu bakhe. Lo baba lo baba strong. Lo baba right now uye USA nase Germany. The question is baba, when are you bringing back the money?
Don't you want to do the Kuli each other sort of thing?
Ubaba bamphakela ubani ophakela. Hey ngithemba umuntu. Hey bamthelela ikorobela incane kulaba udla ikorobela yathi incane udla poison marusaphile uyena nilithovi aba strong labantu laba nilithovi 3 heart attacks still alive ubaba poison udle yonke iphakethe lonke le poison wathi ankorighters bathi ngiyangithululisa ngiyathulula ankorright ngathi ubona sekahlele 69 hey Ngilithelo phepha. Umakhumala ngathi ayikho kunephepha. Mamnika iphepha kunayo ku front page. Uyasibheka uzathi hey. I'm not paying back anything. I am not paying back. They must pay back this.
In closing, Kumba, we've got a 180 Facebook topic. If you had to call your ex by a dish, you know, what dish would she call you or whatever?
I hope they are listening, all of them. Not one, all of them.
How many?
Hey, probably mina tala ngajola. Mina probably ngajola ngisase school ngifundo 3 nenyichira what ladies. Ngayibhalile letter. Mara why this? There was no Twitter, there was no Facebook. There was nothing. I wrote a letter. My mom got hold of the letter.
Oh.
But she gave me a phone this combos. You know when you read the letter. Hello. Dear ladies. Ngayifunda ngathi ubaba afunda speech. Dear ladies.
Oh no, man.
Do you think Obama wrote a letter to Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma?
Really?
Dear. As you know,
Jan van Riebeeck.
I'm a busy man. But for you, I have time, Because if it wasn't for Jan van Riebeeck, there was never gonna be a pen. This thing. Why Maruba bakhuluma so isilungu? Mbakafunda usulo this thing. Dear. Udear umphula ngayifo ku spelling B angathola 0 leyaba. Spell incubine. Incubine incubi. Incu. I like look at incubi. Let me ask Kwede. What is incubi? This is a pillar on now. The democracy of the country doesn't allow us. Incubine. Don't incubine.